Hello Pisces, welcome po sa inyong reading. This is for August the 22nd to August the 25th reading. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button. Smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, sa kabilang channel po, that is Babaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience, no? So, kung di nyo po maabutan yung live sessions, pwede naman po kayong magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. Ayan. So, Pisces, I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. Pisces, ang nakikita natin dito, sobrang passionate nitong relationship ninyo, no? Or there's someone here who's probably thirsty of you, no? Hindi naman to a point na parang manyak, no? Kumbaga, anong magagawa natin nga kung pinanganak tayong ganyan, no? Na maalindog, no? Kaakit-akit, ayan, no? Kabigha-bighani, ayan. So parang sabihin na natin na attract siya sa physical natin. Pero parang mas nung nakilala ka niya, mas na-in love siya dahil sa sabihin nating katangian, no? Pero at one point in time, parang nandito ka rin sa sitwasyon na I don't need a person right now. Kahit gaano pa siya ka-okay. Meron kasing mga saltik din tong Pisces, no? Don't get me wrong. I'm one of you guys. I can definitely relate to that. Sometimes, sa sobrang lalim no, ng Pisces, they cannot reach the depth of either the intellect or the EQ ba, yung emotional quotient, no? Ni Pisces. Passionate naman, loving naman yung connection, somewhat may mga naiinggit pa nga. Or baka ikaw, Pisces, ang ayaw mong pinapublic, no? That's very rare of the Pisces that probably this has something to do with the Mercury retrograde plus nahaluan pa siya ng Lion's Gate, no? Chances are, parang in reverse, lahat ng ginagawa mo, usually ma-post tayong tao di ba? Super post. Ngayon, may mga friends tayong nagtatanong, huy, anong nangyayari? Ba't tahimik ka? Is there a relationship that you are actually hiding from people? No? The Lovers and the World card. I think that you have already either moved on or entertained someone now. It just so happened na medyo secretive ang ating relationship dito, no? Let's see some more cards. The Ace of Wands, the Judgment, the Ten of Swords, and the Three of Swords. I feel like for a few numbers of you, this might be a relationship that either a society cannot accept, no, for or baka may mga dogma, no, na sinasabi natin. You choose not to. It could also be it might be that you are in a relationship that pwedeng sabihin natin very complicated, LGBTQIA+, no? Pwede rin. Or nandito tayo sa third party situation wherein hindi naman talaga natin pwedeng i-public, right? With the Ten of Swords, so yun yung reason bakit kahit passionate naman siya, you would love to, lalo na kung nasa third party, and this, no? Syempre, when it comes to morality, no? We are also, ayaw din naman natin matag ng kung ano-ano, no? If kumbaga binibigyan mo rin si person na if you want this connection, then you know what to do, di ba? Might as well dito lang, tayo lang, di ba? Hindi naman to yung merry-go-round na the more the merrier. This is a relationship, no? Not relationship. Ayan. So, for a few numbers of you, probably merong separations na dahil nag-isip-isip. You're missing the person, that is true. It hurts, that is true. You parang inano mo na rin dito no? Sinaalang-alang mo na rin, nag-sacrifice na rin tayo ng ating sariling kaligayahan. But the good thing here is you will be chosen. It felt like you're gonna receive a good news. You're gonna feel the warmth of this connection. I feel like, you know, hindi mo naman sinasadya, pero na-obsess sa'yo itong person na ito. I think, gusto ko yung combination ng Magician and the High Priestess because it seems like what you are manifesting, you're balancing it. There is a touch of magic, morality, spirituality, yung batas ng universe, batas ng tao, no? You kind of mix it everything and you become the bigger person. Katulad ng sabi ko, you even sacrificed yourself with the 8 of Swords, the 5 of Wands, the 5 of Swords. So, ang nakikita ko kasi dito medyo nahihirapan din tayo, no? Naglalaban itong puso-isip natin. Medyo masakit na nga siya sa ulo. By the way, I'm seeing angel number 666, no? Is there any more 6 here? Yan, so that's angel number. Don't worry, hindi po ba, plus the lovers is here. So, 4 na 6. So, you might want to check 6666 or 666. Hindi po siya, na-demonize kasi itong number na ito. Pati itong yung Capricorn card, no? Plus, ang dami kasi sa tarot, sa tarot cards na iba yung misconstrue ng ibang tao, lalo na yung walang alam, no? Hindi nila alam kung ano yung totoong meaning. It's not all about the visuals, it's about the meaning of it, no? So, hindi naman ang death card is always din death, no? In fact, it also signifies a rebirth, no? Anyway, what I am seeing in here is, yun nga, meron tayong mga masakit na sa puso, masakit na sa isip. I believe na very soon, what you are manifesting, and that is actually what is happening, yung pain, magkakaroon tayo ng reward. Tayo ang pipiliin. No? Not just because I'm Pisces, I'm staying true to the card. As you can see, meron tayong mga readings na hindi rin pabor sa Pisces most of the time, di ba? So, at least, this is a good reading na parang at the end of the day, no, we're not competing, pero we are winning. That is the reading. Now, let's check here the emotion. This could be your emotion or your person's emotion. I think that this is a private or almost, no, almost personal reading. I wish you were mine. So there's chances are, no, meron nga ditong nasa third party situation, no? So this is your reading, Pisces. Let's check the zodiac sign of your person. Naku, ginulo ko. This could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. So I am seeing Gemini, Leo, Pisces, Sagittarius, Taurus, Leo. Nakaligtaan ba tayo? So yan, this is your reading, Pisces. For those of you who's new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung tayo'y nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto nyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, sa kabilang channel po yan, Babaylan TV. No? Kung hindi nyo po maabutan yung live sessions, pwede naman tayo magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. Pero Pisces, kilala nyo po yung sarili ninyo. Kung hindi po kayo Kung hindi po kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no na sagot, dumiretso na po kayo doon sa ating description box. There is a link. Click the link, you're gonna be routed to my website. Ang bubungat po agad ay yung question form, no? So, ibaba nyo lang ng konti, hindi siya kasya kasi sa screen. Makikita nyo po ang mga QR codes. So, sa QR codes na yun, there are labels. So, nandun po yung how much per question, the name, the number for your reference. I also created a 4 questions plus 1. No? So, yung 4 questions, discounted na po yun. May libre pa pong isang tanong. So, in total of 5, take advantage of it. If you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. No? Hanapin nyo lang po yung QR codes. Pisces, kung hindi naman kayo nagmamadali at gusto nyo ng reading, no, or free reading, sumali na po kayo dun sa ating raffle. Madali lang naman yung mechanics. All you just have to do is to report those fake accounts and then take a screenshot, send it to the designated email. That's it. So, bubunot po tayo ng winner for the free reading. Pisces, if you also want to follow me on different social media accounts, dun po sa link, makikita nyo po yung icons ng mga social medias. No need to log in, click nyo lang siya, i-route na kayo doon sa ating mga social media accounts. And speaking of, kung hinahanap nyo po dito yung ibang readings, and if you still care about your ex, no, nasa Facebook po siya, you might wanna check the X-Files. So, meron naman po siyang albums. So, this is your reading once again. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye.